Three, two, one.
Hi everybody! So today we will be making cake pops.
Yeah, and we're gonna do like a cake pops war with
Avery. Delaney is currently at the orthodontist. She is very sad she cannot be here. So we're gonna have just a little war.
Yeah.
And to see who can make the best cake pops. And we're gonna insert a little time-lapse video
So you can see what we do. Yeah, so
I hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Bye.
While our cakes are baking, we're gonna have a lunch break. We're gonna have some good old orange chicken! So after we have our lunch break, then you can watch more of our cake pop adventures.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Bye.
Cake pops in the freezer, so let them cool, and we're gonna let them cool for like 20 more minutes.
Yep. So then like we can put the chocolate on and like decorate them. And yeah, we're making like cookie dough ones if you couldn't tell by the videos.
Yeah. And then Avery and Delaney are making chocolate Oreo cake pops.
Yep.
So we will show you that when it comes time.
Yep. And I hope you enjoy our time lapses.
Yep.
So yeah. Bye.
Bye. Half the person's white chocolates. You're just eating a pizza! She just eating some and then she brings some fries!
Hi everybody.
Hi. Okay,
So, as you can see in our time lapse,
our cake pops turned out like this. No, that's not like this.
it did not work out at all. It's a little shish kebab. Okay, so it did not work out good because we melted the chocolate and just like,
Yeah.
it was not good at all. So we're just gonna leave them like that.
Okay. Hope you have a good day.
Hope you have a good day and just,
Okay, I don't like
goodbye.
Bye.